Welcome, I'm AJ from Blooms by You. Today we've got Nautical by Nature, which is inspired by the Hamptons. It's a blue and white theme. We're going to start with the gum, which is the eucalyptus, baby blue. And just remember to start following that spiral around, creating a good pyramid in the vase with a structure later on. We'll sit them in place. We'll then move on to the hydrangea. You can sit that wherever you want. I'm going to chuck it there in the front, make it the centerpiece. Then we are on to the Delphiniums. There's 3 of these, so we'll just place them in between each of the eucalyptus, following the spiral around in the vase, like so. Then onto the white stock. 3 of these as well, so we'll sit them in between the Delphiniums. Open them in, following the last spiral around, setting them in place. We'll then move on to the chrysanthemums. Same thing, so I'm going to try and centre them off to the hydrangea because these ones are quite a big flower. Find their place down inside that pyramid in there. We'll then go on to the iris. There's 3 of these, so once again follow your spiral round. You'll have to cut the iris down to the right height. I've already cut these ones. Trim them down so they don't sit too high above everything else. Find their spot, place them in nice and evenly. Like so. Then I'm going to go on to the Nigella. Just got quite a nice blue flower at the top. This is where the pyramid comes into play, and you can just slide these in and they should hold up in place. There's quite a few of these, so just scatter them around. And then last of all we've got the freesia, which it is up to you. If you've got room in your vase, we will place them on in. It's getting pretty full, but get them in there. Might have to trim some of the weak branches off on those ones. Last one in there. And there we have it.